This is STM32L476G Disco board. It has an STV-Link section on the upper portion of the board. So from here, and you can program boards like mini STM32V3.0 board. So it has a microcontroller. It has an STM32F103RBT6 microcontroller, which can be programmed using this STM32V-Link using the given pins. So what you need to do is you need to connect all these pins, so except for VApp, since I do not completely sure about the voltages of this board, so I have connected SW clock ground, SWDIO, I have connected SW clock ground, SWDIO, NRST, and I have not connected SWO on the JTAG pins. So here are all the JTAG pins. Okay, so and to be able to program the external board, I have to remove the jumpers from these jumpers from this section. So okay, so if I connect my USB, so if I plug in the USB cable on this board, so wait a second. So if I connect the board and these jumpers are removed, I have not removed this jumper from here because it is a reset. Then this board has this LCD with it. So if I connect this, and I power this separately using this cable. So now you can see it has a program running on it. So now you can see it has a program running on it. Okay, it has a program running on it. Now if I open my so here I have written all the so this is the pins you need to connect to the JTAG. So SW clock goes to pin number 9, which is TCK on JTAG, and ground goes to any pin from 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 are grounds on JTAG, and SWIO is SWD, data input output, goes to TMS, which is on pin number 7, NRST, reset of the target MCU, goes to pin number 15 of JTAG, and it is mentioned by NSRST, and we do not connect SWO to any pin on the JTAG. Now after doing the connection, if I open this STM32 programmer, okay, and goes to here and click on ST-Link and click on connect, so it says it is, and you can see it is connected to the board. Okay, successfully connected to the board. And if you go into the CPU section, you can see it is showing Cortex M3, which is the processor core of the STM32F103RB, and you can use this STM32Q programmer to program the board. So if you go into, click on here and click on open file, and let's see, we have let's change, upload some. So this board came with some examples, and if you click on this demo, upload some hex file, so you can click on download, and then it will show that it is downloading is in progress, and your file download is complete. You press OK. Now if you click on the reset button, okay, now if you click on the this reset button, you can see that a demo will appear.